What's up guys and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to continue on the Golf. We want to wet sand the car with a 2000 grit and get the car nice and polished so we can complete this project.
Cool. Okay, so we're not gonna do the interior now, but
No, we're not going to do the interior. I think we must first wet sand the car so that we can get it polished. Then we can like put back the windows and the windscreen and the rear window, and then we can complete the interior. Otherwise it just keeps on getting dirty.
cool. Let's go ahead.
Okay guys, so we are done sanded with the car. We sanded with a 2000 grit, so it took a long time. It actually took us 2 days to sand down the entire car. But now it's nice and smooth, so tomorrow in the morning we'll start with cutting and polishing it.
So we see you in the morning.
See you in the morning. Okay guys, so it's the next day. Now we can finally polish the car, but we are going to move it there to the rocks because otherwise we're going to make the Auri's roof full of like polish, and it's a soft top, so
You can't get it out.
you can't get it out. So we're going to move it there and then we're going to start polishing.
Cool.
Okay guys, so the paint is looking smooth and it's flat.
Beautiful.
It looks beautiful. We used cutting cream and polishing cream. So now what we're going to do is we're going to glaze it. So I've never glazed before, so hopefully it goes fine.
It's our first time.
Yeah, I did some research, so I think it's going to look nice. They say the color pops when you glaze it, so
Yeah, and it's a burning color, so it needs to pop, you know.
yeah. So yeah, let's go
Yeah.
ahead and glaze it to see how it looks.
Cool.
Okay guys, so it's the next day, and our plan for today is to put back the windows and stuff so that we can wash the car and get the polish nice out of all the like
Hidden spaces
on the car. So
or places. I don't know.
yeah.
Okay.
So, but first we want to install the windscreen, but before we do that, we have to put in the headliner and these like side leather pieces here, because the rubber goes over that, so we have to put that in first.
Cool.
So let's start with that.
Nice.
And also we'll show you how nice the car looks in the day now. So guys, while we wait for the roof to dry, the glue to dry actually on the roof there, we are just busy putting back the windows like on the side of the car and all that, and also we got that strips that was missing, so we put that back as well. It's almost dry, but I think I'm just gonna throw in the two front doors like the rubbers and the windows there, and then we'll continue with the windscreen.
Cool.
Okay guys, so we got the windscreen in. It was a bit of a stress because I know it can break.
Yeah.
But luckily it didn't break, so we got it in. We still have to put in the rear window there. It's lying there, so we'll put that in now. But I think before we put that in, I just want to put the door rubbers in because I put some glue on that rubber for it to bond together,
Yeah.
because it's a new rubber. So I'm gonna glue this rubbers on the side of the doors, put that in, and then we'll put the rear window in.
Cool. Go.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Okay guys, so we gave the car a nice wash and thrown on the side skirts. I apologize for the previous video. I said I was going to show you and I didn't, so I apologize for that. But this is going to be a wrap for this video guys, and thanks for watching, and if you haven't, please like and subscribe to our channel.
See you next time.